Unlocking the Secrets of Fifth Level Leadership. Jim Collins, in his groundbreaking book Good to Great, introduced the notion of Level 5 leadership as the zenith in a hierarchy of leadership capabilities. To truly understand the essence of the fifth level, one must first navigate through the foundational levels of leadership as detailed by Collins. So let's explore each level in turn. Level 1. The highly capable individual. At this foundational level, individuals contribute to their organisations by utilising their talents, knowledge, skills, and good work habits. They focus on personal development and consistently deliver quality work, setting the stage for future growth. Level 2. The contributing team member. Progressing to the next level, leaders begin to harness their skills in a team setting. They work effectively with others, contributing to team objectives. This level emphasises collaboration and the importance of building strong relationships within the team. Leaders here learn to value diverse perspectives and foster an inclusive environment for sharing ideas. Level 3. The competent manager. As a competent manager, the leader's role expands to organising people and resources towards the efficient pursuit of a predetermined objective. This involves strategic planning, resource allocation, and performance management. Leaders at this stage excel in optimising team productivity and aligning individual goals with organisational objectives. Level 4. The effective leader. Effective leaders catalyse commitment to a clear and compelling vision, inspiring higher performance standards. They communicate their vision with clarity and passion, motivating their teams to exceed expectations. This level involves developing a strong organisational culture and nurturing an environment that encourages innovation and excellence. Level 5. The fifth level leader. The pinnacle of Collins' hierarchy, the Level 5 leader, builds enduring greatness through a paradoxical blend of personal humility and professional will. They transcend personal ambition, focusing instead on the long-term success of their organisation. These leaders are characterised by a steadfast commitment to their mission and a relentless drive to achieve sustainable results. The defining traits of a Level 5 leader are a unique blend of 4 key characteristics. These are 1. Personal humility. Level 5 leaders are marked by their modesty. They often shun the spotlight, preferring to channel their ambition towards the success of their company rather than personal recognition. 2. Professional will. These leaders possess an unwavering resolve to do whatever is necessary to drive the company to success. They are incredibly persistent, displaying a strong work ethic that inspires those around them. 3. Being selective. Level 5 leaders understand the critical importance of having the right people on their team. They prioritise getting the right people in the right seats before setting the direction of the organisation. 4. A long-term vision. Level 5 leaders think beyond short-term gains, investing in the future to ensure the firm is set up for success long after they've moved on. They leave a legacy of strength and resilience, focusing on sustainable growth and innovation. So, whether you are a seasoned executive or an aspiring leader, understanding and implementing the principles of Level 5 leadership can transform your approach to leading others. Strive to be a Level 5 leader and leave a legacy of greatness, one that empowers others and creates a lasting impact in your team and beyond. If you would like any further help with this or any other subject, then do click on the related links or head over to the website at www.therightquestions.co.